receptacle for barbecues, tailgates, fairs, festivals. You, sir, do not have a pair of testicles if you prefer drinking from glass. Hey, Red Solo Cup is cheap and disposable. In 14 years, they are decomposable, and unlike my home, they are not foreclosable. Freddie Mac, kiss my ass. Red Solo Cup, I fill you up. Let's have a party. Let's have a party. I like my Red Solo Cup, oh yeah. I fill you up. Proceed to party. Proceed to party. I really love how you're easy to stack, and I really hate how you're easy to crack, cause when beer runs down the front of my back, well, that, my friends, is quite yucky. But I have to admit that the ladies get smitten, admiring how sharply my first name is written on you with a Sharpie when I get to hit on them to help me get lucky. Red Solo Cup. Let's have a party. Let's have a party. I got my Red Solo Cup. I'll lift you up. Proceed to party. Proceed to party. Now I've seen you in blue and I've seen you in yellow, and only you red will do for this feller. And if you be the abbot to my Costello, you are my fruit to my love. Hey! Red Solo Cup, you're more than just plastic. You're more than amazing. You're more than fantastic. And believe me, I'm not the least bit sarcastic when I look at you and say, Red Solo Cup. Dude, you're not just a freaking cup.
No way, man.
No, you're like
BFF.
you're like my BFF. Thank you. Thank you for being my friend. Solo Cup, who's got one? Let's have a party. Come on, let's party. I've got my Red Solo Cup, yeah, yeah. I lift you up. Proceed to party. Proceed to party. I got my Red Solo Cup. I fill you up. Let's have a party. Let's have a party. My Red Solo Cup, Red Solo, I lift you up. Proceed to party. Proceed to party. I'm Melbourne, Florida. I think it'd be really cool tonight if everybody knows this song. Everybody knows it, right? From the front to the back, I want you to throw your shoulders back, put your head there, put your cup in there.